I want to model the expected show of work on the homework problems and on test or quizzes. So for selection sort, we are going to keep track of the final values after one traversal through the inner loop, just like we did for bubble sort, but we're going to also keep track of the value of min index and track it as it changes and which indexes were swapped. So we're going to say that this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so the outer index starts at 0 and the min index value also starts wherever the outside index is. And so we say so 9 is the contents of where min index is pointing. Is 12 less than 9? No, no swap. Is 24 less than 9? No, no swap. Is 8 less than 9? Yes. Min index value went from 0 to 3. Now we're comparing with the 8. Is 13 less than 8? No. Is 11 less than 8? No. So 0 and 3 swapped. And so 8 goes here and 9 goes here, and all the rest come down. And remember that we swapped the contents of the lowest index with 0 because 0 is the index of the outer loop. 8 has now been placed and won't be revisited. 8 will come all the way down. The outer loop index is 1. That's where min index begins. So is 24 less than 12? No. Is 9 less than 12? Yes. So we once again switch that to 3. Is 13 less than 9? No. Is 11 less than 9? No. Therefore, 3 and 1 swap. 1, the value of the index of the outer loop, and 3, the contents of index 3 are the lowest. So 9 goes here and 12 goes here. 9 and 12 swap. 24 comes down, 13 comes down, 11 comes down. This index will no longer be visited. 9 comes down. The first two low values are placed. What I didn't say in the other movie is that notice that in the traversal of one inner loop, there's only one swap made, and it's made at the very end. This is quite a contrast to bubble sort. Alright, the min index value is the same as the outer loop value, which is 2, and is 12 less than 24? Yes. So the index changes to that associated with 12, the 3. Is 13 less than 12? No. No swap. Is 11 less than 12? Yes. 11 is with index 5. So this traces to index 5. So the index swapped will always be the outer index and the index where min index ended up. So 24 goes there, 11 goes there, 12 comes down, 13 comes down. Index 2 will not be revisited. 11 can flow down. Min index value starts at 3. Is 13 less than 12? No. Is 24 less than 12? No change. And no swap. Because our algorithm right down here says if min index is not equal to outer, well, outer in this case was 3, and so was min index equal to 3, and so no swap. But I want you to write no swap. 12 comes down. Min index value is 4. Is 24 less than 13? No. No swap again. But we can have no swaps anywhere. It could be like right here, and then we'd swap the rest. So it's independent on if it's the last couple traversals. So that has nothing to do with it. Okay, so what I will be picky about is I want these original values to show, and I want you to trace the contents as they change. I want to be able to see that, for instance, that this started at 2 and this started at 3. Okay, so that's all for the demo for selection sort practice.